Today, I am reviewing NIMO 15.6-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that blends powerful performance, sleek design, and thoughtful portability, the NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD Gaming Laptop is an exciting option worth exploring. This laptop offers an impressive combination of speed, multitasking ability, and premium build quality, making it not only ideal for gaming but also perfect for business, productivity, and creative work. Let's begin with the heart of this system, the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that can boost up to 4.9 GHz, delivering desktop-level power inside a portable chassis. The Ryzen 7 8745HS excels in both single-core and multi-core performance, meaning whether you're gaming, editing videos, streaming, or running demanding applications, this laptop handles it all with ease. For gamers, this means smooth frame rates and fewer bottlenecks, and for professionals, it means faster workflows. Now, let's talk about memory and storage. The NIMO gaming laptop comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That combination ensures blazing fast multitasking, lightning quick load times, and the ability to run demanding applications without lag. The DDR5 RAM provides superior speed and efficiency compared to DDR4, which is a big plus for both gaming and productivity. And with 1TB of storage, you have enough space for a large game library, high-resolution video files, and professional projects, with room to spare. Graphics-wise, the laptop features AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics. While this is not a dedicated GPU, Radeon 780M still delivers solid performance for casual and moderate gaming, as well as smooth graphics for multimedia and business applications. It's particularly impressive considering this is a slim, portable laptop designed for a range of uses beyond pure gaming. One of the standout features of this NIMO laptop is its display. The 15.6-inch IPS Full HD panel offers vivid, true-to-life colors and excellent viewing angles. With an anti-glare coating and an 85% screen-to-body ratio, this display is immersive and easy on the eyes, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. While it's a 60Hz screen, not as high as specialized gaming laptops, it delivers a crisp, smooth experience for most gaming and work tasks. Portability is another strength of the NIMO 15.6. At just 0.76 inches thick and weighing around 3.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry around daily, whether for work, school, or gaming on the go. Plus, this stylish blue metal chassis gives it a premium look while remaining durable enough for everyday use. Another innovation here is the 100W USB-C fast charger. With a 6.56-foot cable, this charger can power your laptop quickly. A short 15-minute charge can give you up to 2 hours of use. It's also versatile enough to charge your phone, tablet, or other devices, meaning you only need one charger for multiple gadgets. This feature is perfect for people who travel or work remotely. The laptop's design is smart and practical. It features a backlit keyboard for comfortable typing in low light, a fingerprint reader for secure, one-touch login, and a precision touchpad that makes navigation smooth and intuitive. These features combine to make this laptop not only powerful, but also incredibly user-friendly. Connectivity is another area where the NIMO laptop shines. It offers a wide variety of ports, including USB-C 4.0, USB-A, HDMI, and more, so you can connect all your peripherals, displays, and accessories without hassle. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and stable internet connections. Battery life is strong as well, with up to 15.5 hours of use under normal conditions. This is particularly impressive for a machine with this much performance, making it a great choice for work, study, or entertainment on the go. To sum it up, the NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD Gaming Laptop delivers a well-balanced mix of performance, portability, and premium design. Its Ryzen 7 8745HS CPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and versatile feature set make it a great option not just for gaming, but also for productivity, multimedia, and everyday use. The thoughtful touches like the fast USB-C charging, fingerprint reader, and backlit keyboard make it a complete package for gamers and professionals alike. If you want a laptop that delivers powerful performance without compromising portability, the NIMO 15.6 is a solid choice, offering premium features and a long-lasting design that's built to keep up with whatever you throw at it.